Hello and welcome back to How to Set Info. In this video I will show you how to fix your battery percentage not showing on Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. And let's begin! So, as you can see, I'm currently charging on my phone, on my tablet, because I have no idea how much battery it has, but I do see that it's fairly low. Once again, no specifics. So, let's fix that by going into settings, scrolling down and heading into battery. Inside battery, you want to scroll all the way down, and here right above battery information we have show battery percentage. All you want to do is you want to enable it, and now we can see the exact percentage of our battery. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.